What if I told you that the key to defeating one of humanity's oldest and deadliest enemies might not be found in a test tube, but inside a computer? What if the next great breakthrough in cancer treatment isn't a new drug, but a new kind of intelligence? We're standing on the brink of a medical revolution, and it's being powered by artificial intelligence. But this isn't science fiction. This is happening right now, and it's changing everything we thought we knew about fighting cancer. Forget what you've seen in movies. The real story is far more incredible, and it could affect every single one of us. Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, you're going to see how AI is not just helping doctors, but becoming their most powerful ally in the war on cancer, making the impossible possible. So, how exactly does this work? Let's start with the very first step: diagnosis. Traditionally, diagnosing cancer involves a pathologist, a highly trained doctor, looking at tissue samples under a microscope. It's an incredibly skilled, but also subjective process. Two different experts might look at the same slide and come to slightly different conclusions. It's also time-consuming. But now, imagine an AI that has been trained on millions of pathology slides more than any human could ever review in 100 lifetimes. This AI can spot patterns, tiny anomalies, and subtle clues in the tissue that are invisible to the human eye. It can identify cancerous cells with breathtaking speed and accuracy. In recent studies, these AI diagnostic tools have been shown to not only match the accuracy of human pathologists, but, in some cases, exceed it. They can detect cancer earlier than ever before. For example, in mammograms for breast cancer, AI algorithms can flag suspicious areas that might be missed during a routine screening. This isn't about replacing doctors. It's about giving them superpowers. The AI acts as a second, third, or even fourth pair of eyes, ensuring that nothing is missed. This means earlier detection, and when it comes to cancer, early is the most powerful word in the dictionary. It can be the difference between a treatable condition and a life-threatening battle. But diagnosis is just the beginning. The real game changer is how AI is personalizing cancer treatment. For a long time, cancer treatment was a bit like using a sledgehammer. Chemotherapy, for instance, attacks all fast-growing cells in the body, not just the cancerous ones. That's why it causes side effects like hair loss and nausea. But what if we could use a scalpel instead of a sledgehammer? What if we could create a treatment plan that is uniquely tailored to you, your specific tumor, and your genetic makeup? This is the promise of precision medicine, and AI is the engine driving it forward. Here's how it works. AI systems can analyze a massive amount of data for each patient. We're talking about your genetic sequence, the specific mutations in your tumor, your medical history, your lifestyle, and even data from millions of other cancer patients. It's an ocean of information that no human doctor could possibly process on their own. The AI sifts through all of this, looking for connections. It can predict which specific drug or combination of therapies is most likely to be effective against your particular cancer, and which ones are likely to fail or cause severe side effects. Think of it like this: your cancer isn't just lung cancer. It's a unique disease, with its own molecular fingerprint. The AI reads that fingerprint and then searches a vast database of known treatments to find the perfect match. This is already happening in clinical trials. Patients who are running out of options with traditional treatments are being matched with new experimental drugs thanks to AI analysis, sometimes with remarkable results. It's moving us away from a one-size-fits-all approach to a one-size-fits-one model of care. Beyond just picking the right drug, AI is also revolutionizing how we deliver treatment. Take radiation therapy. The goal is to destroy the tumor while sparing the surrounding healthy tissue as much as possible. This requires incredibly precise planning. Doctors have to manually outline the tumor and the nearby organs on medical scans, a process that can take hours and varies from one doctor to another. Now, AI can do this in minutes, with incredible precision. It can create a 3D model of the tumor and design the optimal path for the radiation beams to take, minimizing damage to healthy cells. This means more effective treatment with fewer side effects. And what about surgery? AI is making its way into the operating room too. Robotic surgery systems, guided by surgeons, have been around for a while. But now, AI is enhancing these systems. It can provide real-time feedback during an operation, highlighting the edges of a tumor to ensure the surgeon removes all of it. It can even help stabilize the surgeon's movements, allowing for more delicate and precise procedures. Imagine a surgeon who is augmented by an AI co-pilot, one that has studied thousands of successful surgeries and can provide instant guidance. That's the future we're building. Perhaps one of the most exciting frontiers is in drug discovery. Developing a new cancer drug is a notoriously slow and expensive process. It can take over a decade and cost billions of dollars, and the vast majority of potential drugs fail in clinical trials. AI is poised to change this entire paradigm. Instead of randomly testing thousands of chemical compounds in a lab, AI is amazing. It can simulate how different molecules will interact with cancer cells on a computer. It can predict a molecule's potential effectiveness and toxicity before it's ever synthesized in a lab. AI can design entirely new drug candidates from scratch. Molecules specifically engineered to target a particular weakness in a cancer cell. This could dramatically speed up the pipeline of new, innovative cancer drugs. We're talking about cutting down the development time from years to months. This means more new treatments becoming available to patients much, much faster. This isn't just about making the process more efficient. It's about unlocking new possibilities for treatment that we couldn't even imagine before. Of course, this journey isn't without its challenges. We need to ensure that the data used to train these AI systems is diverse and represents all populations, so that the benefits are shared equally. We have to address issues of data privacy and security. And most importantly, we must always remember that AI is a tool. The human element, the compassion, empathy, and judgment of doctors, nurses, and caregivers will always be at the heart of medicine. AI can provide the data and the insights, but it's the human connection that truly heals. So, where does this leave us? We are at the dawn of a new era in medicine. The fusion of artificial intelligence and human ingenuity is creating a powerful new force in the fight against cancer. From discovering cancer at its earliest, most curable stage, to designing personalized treatments that target a tumor's unique vulnerabilities, AI is transforming every aspect of cancer care. It's offering hope where there was once uncertainty and providing new weapons in a battle we are more equipped to win than ever before. This is more than just technology. It's a new chapter in human health, and the story is just getting started. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey into the future of medicine. If you found this as fascinating as I do, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content that explores how technology is changing our world. And I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What part of AI in medicine excites you the most? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.